Hi everyone, this is your island girl for Lisa and welcome back to Tropical Vibes Island. In this video I'm going to show you how I'm going to make my bed using a mattress gifted to me from Lull. Hey everyone, so I'm just getting home to see that my Lull mattress and pillows have arrived. I'm super excited. So I'm going to go ahead and take my pillows and my mattress inside. I don't know why I tried to pick that up because I already knew it was a little heavy. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get it in the house and wait for my hubby and my little helper to come in later to get it on the bed. So hubby's home and Rylan, my little helper, is also here. And they're going to go ahead and take the mattress and the pillows to our bedroom so that we can unbox it and put it on the bed. I'm so excited. So basically what Rylan and my hubby is going to be doing is taking the mattress out of the box. Yes, there's a queen size mattress in that box. Unbelievable. My hubby even asked, "Are you sure this is a queen mattress?" I'm like, yes, it is. So anyway, they're going to go ahead and take the mattress out of the box. And the mattress is actually sucked up in plastic, so they're going to have to unsuction that plastic and the mattress is going to start expanding. We're going to put the mattress on the bed and it's going to need about 48 hours to fully expand. Now once the mattress expands, all the wrinkles and crinkles and dents will come out of the mattress, and I'm a prime believer in that because my mattress actually had a few crinkles in there, but after the fully expansion of 48 hours, all those crinkles were gone. Okay, love, so I wanted to wait at least 2 nights, possibly 3 nights before I did my voiceover because I wanted to give you all an honest opinion about the mattress. Now, I kid you not, I do have lower back pain issues. That's why a mattress is so important to me and I wanted to try it out. So anyway, I slept on the mattress for 2 nights and my back I didn't wake up with a sore back as I did with my previous mattress because, to be honest with you, it was time to replace that mattress. So basically, the Lull mattress came at perfect timing. Who would have thought such a high quality mattress would have actually came in a box? Setup being so easy and convenient, it just made life so much easier. So far, I've had 2 very comfortable nights of sleep. I have the link below if you're interested in checking out this Lull mattress and the Lull pillows, and you can also get $150 off of any purchase. So let's go ahead and watch my men put this mattress on my bed. Wow, It's what? It's what? Here are my luxurious Lull pillows. The design of these pillows is a perfect combination of comfort and support for your head and your neck. My mattress is not only comfortable, it's actually cute too. I've actually paired this mattress with some of my pillows and throws without even applying sheets and bedspreads and comforters to it, and it still looks cute. So far, I've noticed 4 characteristics of my new Lull mattress. It's not only comfortable, It's cute, it's glamorous, and it's affordable. So you guys know I like to play around with home decor, even a mattress, right? So what I did is I styled this mattress in different ways, just having fun. And I actually had a lot of fun styling this mattress. So I'm just going to let you see some of the fun things that I've done, and then I'll go ahead and make the bed. So how do I make my bed? I thought you never asked. I use a fitted sheet, a regular sheet. I use a bedspread of some type. Sometimes I use a comforter. I take it and drape it across my bed. But in the spring and the summer, I use a bedspread and I drape a throw across my bed in some form or fashion. So basically that's what I'm doing here. I've already placed on my fitted sheet, my bedspread, and I did a special folding over. I did like a triangle at the head of the bed, and I'm fluffing out my pillows. From there, I just go ahead and place the pillows to my liking on my bed. Sometimes I lay the pillows flat and sometimes I put them upright. In this particular setting, I'm using my pillows upright. I'm actually going to be using all my pillows upright. And then from there, I'll show you guys how I set up a bed tray, and then we're going to be done. At the end of the video, I will let you all know where the items came from that I have on my bed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Okay, love, so let me just briefly tell you where the items came from that I have on my bed. We all know the mattress came from Lull, and my pillows in the back came from Lowe's. The white pillows and the pillow in the middle came from Z Gallery. The two pillows on the end came from Home Goods. the tray, and the tray actually came from Home Goods, and the actual small glass cake stand from Home Goods. The little mini blue box, I'll leave the link below if you're interested in checking that out. The candle from Z Gallery, the wine glass, and the Glam champagne bottle came from Ross. The Glam stirrer came from Z Gallery, and my sheets, the bedspread and the sheet set came from Home Goods, and my beautiful ombre throw came from Z Gallery. So this is summing up this video. I hope that it inspires someone on how to decorate their bed. And if they're interested in an affordable mattress, you should check out Lull. The link is below, and there's a $150 off coupon if you're interested. Thanks for coming to Tropical Island, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for coming to Tropical Vibes Island, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!